It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and I am up here in Claremont at Pete and Mary's place. Many of you will remember this installation from 3 years ago, October. I haven't been here in a while, and we're up watching our granddaughter, and of course these are the other grandparents. It's my daughter-in-law's folks' house here in Claremont near John and Mary Ann and Lucy. And the yard was, you know, how long have you lived here, Pete?
46 years.
Yeah, they've lived here 46 years, and the yard looked like you've lived here 46 years. But you know what? They were inspired by what we did at John's.
Yes.
And so we created this tapestry for them. I am so impressed with how you've cared for this garden over the years. Mm-hmm. Everything in Claremont grows. The echeverias are on crack. You know, we've had virtually no losses, right?
We had one, but it's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Yeah.
But
you didn't see it.
I didn't see it. But no, this is just absolutely such a spectacular little garden. We also got started on the cactus garden. Mary wasn't a big fan of cactus,
No.
but Pete loves them. So he's got this is like his man cave equivalent, where he's got his beautiful Achino cactus. The Degutii Faquaria is so beautiful. I was complimenting Pete on this. This is kind of a tricky plant, and it's thriving here. And check out the Pilosoceras. There is not a mark on that. The little old man of the Andes cactus is so beautiful and so happy. As I said, yes, everything is thriving. But the surprise...
Yeah, come on down this way, Greg, because we just finished this 2 weeks ago, and I had help, but we put this in, and the main thing that was always bugging me was crabgrass.
Yeah.
So in order to get rid of crabgrass, they dug down 8 inches, removed all of the crabgrass, the rocks, and the weeds and everything, and then put down 2 layers of weed guard. And then in this area here, there is this soil that's really good, and around it is 3/4 inch gravel. So
it's beautiful. And see how, you know, it's hard to tell in the videos, but Pete's got his undulating mounds. He's got some really, really beautiful honey onyx.
yeah,
Boulders. We've got Lucy and Lily out here. Lily's the dog, Lucy's the child. You've got a lime, I believe you said.
yeah, this is lime.
A lime tree growing. And what's this over here? A crepe? No.
That's a crepe myrtle.
It is a crepe myrtle.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It's a baby crepe.
Yeah.
What color?
A little darker. This is a pink, and it's a little darker.
Oh,
it is
beautiful.
so beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Your milkweed is thriving to your left, Greg. To your left. And you've got some stone fruit. These are
Peaches.
peaches.
Oh yeah.
Are they cling or are they
I don't know.
yellow or white?
They're yummy.
They're yummy is what they are. How fun. Do you get to eat any of them,
Oh,
or are they
always.
mostly for the birds?
No,
you
they're
get them?
for us.
Okay. Then, as though, you know, they were so inspired, we've got, Pete is quite a craftsman, and he built these beautiful raised beds. Also filled them with really good soil. They're all irrigated by Pete, and he has, what have you got going in here, Pete?
Well, we have zucchini. We have zucchini here, and then yellow squash, crookneck. These are potatoes, and we have 2 rows of potatoes. We have carrots coming up here. We have onions that you can't see.
Little baby carrots.
Yeah, little baby
Oh,
carrots.
seeds. I love it.
But come on over here, Greg, because
Yeah, look at this.
these boxes we made in the fall,
Wow.
and we had lots of beautiful flowers, ranunculus and whatnot. They're pretty much gone now, but we're left with the beautiful snapdragons.
Isn't it stunning?
And then behind are our tomatoes. And while I was working on this, I had to find a home for my succulents that were there first, so there's still a few left out here that haven't been planted yet. But
oh my goodness.
so
And then in addition to the tomatoes, behind it you've got avocado.
yeah,
This looks like a citrus.
yeah, that's the tangerine.
Tangerine, and then over there you've got...
Those are just camellias.
Oh, oh my gosh, big camellia bush.
Yeah, well, we've been here a while.
Yeah, you've been here a while. Isn't this incredible, guys? I mean, this is so transformative. I was gobsmacked when I got here to see all the work that Pete has done on this place.
And another thing that's been really fun for us is after 46 years, we now have another place to sit in our yard. And when we sit down here, we have a chance to enjoy our succulent garden. And so this has been a real treat.
Yeah.
A real treat.
And look at that beautiful Desert Museum Palo Verde tree. That they also have had some work done on. It was kind of flopping around.
It was trimmed by an arborist.
Yeah, it got professionally laced and trimmed and stabilized, and it looks so stinking good. So, you know, I just wanted to take a minute to share this garden with you all because it's so inspiring. And we'll be back. There's still, you know, a garden is never done, and it's a continual work in progress. But I hope that you have been inspired to see this incredible eclectic garden. You can have your succulents, and you can eat your fruit too, and your vegetables, and have all the things. So for Pete and Mary in Claremont, California, this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, Pete.